If you would like to start baking but have these excuses, I don't have an oven, I don't have a hand mixer, don't even have a stove, don't worry. Today I would like to show you how to make a cheesecake without an oven, without a hand mixer, or even a stove. So let's go into the kitchen to see what menu it is. So let's start from preparing ingredients. I have cream cheese, gelatin with water, and heavy cream, sugar, plain yogurt, and lemon juice. In the mold, I mix the biscuit and the molten butter. So I just press it until they are flat. Next, we will soften the cream cheese. So I use the whole cream cheese here. It may be a little bit hard to take out, and maybe it's still too hard to mix. While mixing the cream cheese, I heat the water and the gelatin in the microwave for 30 seconds. And while waiting for that, I mix the cream cheese. But here it's too hot to mix, so I put in the microwave for 10 seconds. And now it's softer to mix. And from now you just mix every ingredients with the cream cheese, from the sugar until they are all mixed. Then I put yogurt, heavy cream, lemon juice, and the gelatin water, and add a little bit of the vanilla essence. Now everything is well mixed. Next we will put them into the mold. I use the baking sheet, but it's too hard to stick to the edge, so I use some of the cake to stick it. Here we pour the cake into the mold. Flatten the cake surface and refrigerate for 2 to 5 hours. Here is our cake after refrigerated. I remove the edges. This is our finished Icebox cheesecake. The taste is very soft and sweet while have a little bit sour from the lemon. You can enjoy them by making this without any heating tools too. Please enjoy your taste. And that's the Icebox cheesecake that we bake. Here it is. I really would like to share with you, so I will just cut some, and that's all for Icebox cheesecake. You can see that it doesn't require your oven or your hand mixer or even a stove to make it. Even though you doesn't have microwave, don't worry, you can still make it. And that's all for today video. I hope you get the idea how to make cheesecake without having any oven, hand mixer, or even a stove. And if you like my video, please subscribe and press like to my channel, and I will see you in the next videos.